add any leaf of your choice. So this is the leaf I'm adding inside, guys. Hello my beautiful lovers, greetings everyone. So guys, today we are making banga soup. We are going to make banga soup together, guys. So here is the water I will use to make the banga. So I already opened it. This is how we see it over here. This is how we buy it in African market over here. So I already opened it. So I will add it, I will pour it in this water, guys. Remove it. So we are doing it like this so that we can remove the sand under the pot. The sand under, we can remove it. Biscotti, finito biscotti. I'm done putting it here. And we have to leave it on top of fire on the gas. Not on the gas. Okay, guys. So let's prepare the meat we are using for the banga soup. So we have a shaki here. So a little shaki, and we also have a cow meat. So here is my onions, ginger, and garlic. So I will blend it together, guys. I'm going to blend it. So I'm also going to add pepper to it. I'll blend everything together. I already washed them. Let's go and blend it. Okay, guys, I'm done blending it. We add it inside. Whisk it with water. Use a little water to whisk it. Go in with your salt. Maggi. I'm using too much Maggi to prepare my soup. After that, you turn it together. It to cook. Cook it for like a minute. Steam it for like a minute before pouring the banga inside. The banga already melt. We have to bring it down so that it will calm down. Did you hear that noise under? So I'm going to filter it 2 times now. So we have to bring it down. Put it just to calm down. Okay, guys. So you can see. Let's turn it a little. It's just boiling. So let me turn it a little. Cover it too. Okay, guys. So first of all, let's filter the banga here. From here, we take it to the pot. Take it to the pot. Okay, guys, let's check it. It's time for us to add the banga inside. So if you are cooking your banga soup, don't overcook the meat before adding the banga inside. So here, this time banga. That's it. This is how we add it inside, guys. So guys, I'm done washing the fish. And we also have crayfish here. This is crayfish we are using. So I will select it before blending it. So we also have the main ingredients that I'm using. This is uriema. Uriema, we call it uriema. I don't know what they call it in English. So this is pepper 2 spices. So that is the 3 things I'm using. I bought it like this over here. This is how I bought it here. And they like add pepper soup spices for my banga soup. select the crayfish. After selecting it, we rinse it and blend it. I don't like all this black thing for crayfish. This is the black thing. Let's check our soup. So guys, I lower down the heat of the gas. As you can see, the food is cooking very well. So let's go ahead and add the fish we want to make it up. So I already wash it. So I'm using head of fish. So I wash the head of fish before adding it. So guys, here is my pepper soup spices. Add it inside. So guys, this is my crayfish. I added onions inside and pepper also. I blended together. I mixed it with water. Add it. Turn it together. Cover it too. Our soup is almost ready. As you can see, let me lower the heat of the gas again. See the way they boil. So I lower down the heat of the gas. It's almost ready, guys. So you cannot test your soup to check if there is salt. So I will have to test it now. It's our banga soup. This soup enter. I got to add pepper, John, and just if or not pepper, we shall not add to it. So I will go in with the. You can add any leaf of your choice. So this is the leaf I'm adding inside, guys. So if you don't have I don't have a bitter leaf. So I like using bitter leaf for my soup, but this one is okay. So you have to try new things. You have to try new thing, guys. Like 1 minute or 2 minutes to bring it down. Because the soup is almost ready. So I'll go in with a little bit of this. Little. For this soup inside. Okay, guys. The soup is ready. The soup is ready, as you can see. Let me turn off the gas. Almost this soup now. This is banga soup. Banga soup activated. Not too thick, or not less than too thick. No. One very well. Okay, guys, share the video. Love you all.